Hi guys, here we have a great sounding exhaust on this Focus RS, but it's pretty dirty. In this episode I'm going to show you how to make it shiny again. I have washed this exhaust, but to make sure that every possible debris that's on it is removed, I will use APC before I dry it and before we start using our metal polish. So a lot of the dirt has been removed now. Now we're going to take our metal polish and start making it even more shiny. This metal polish contains high quality abrasives, but remember, this is not meant to remove scratches on chrome or aluminum. It's meant to remove oxidation and bring back that original shine. I like to use a microfiber applicator, metal polish on top. And start dabbing it on the metal. Try to use it in straight lines, left or right. When we are done, we're going to take a different towel and give it the first buff. So as you can see, this is already a big difference, but it tends to build up a lot of carbon oxide on the bottom part. For those heavy oxidized edges, I can give you a very valuable tip. Take a piece of aluminum, break it down a little bit, and use some metal polish on it to rub it on the edge. If needed, a little bit more. Now we are left with a factory fresh exhaust. Of course you can do the insides if you want, it's up to you because you will have a very quick buildup of carbon oxide. But now that we have cleaned it so well, it's actually in need of some protection. For that you can use GYEON rim on top of it and it will stay cleaner for a longer period of time. Good luck.